Hey y'all, happy Friday, Josh with Layer here. I'm going to show you a quick tip today on how to install Layer as a progressive web app. Now, if you're anything like me, you're a designer, if you're an interior design, you're architecture, perhaps you're a facility manager, you're constantly context switching all day. You're also oftentimes working in a web browser like this, and you've got 10, 20, 50, 100 tabs open, and you're always losing where things are. That includes where Layer is. So to reduce the number of times we lose Layer app up in this infinite tab wasteland, I'm going to go ahead and install this as a progressive web app, like I mentioned. In order to do so, go to layer.team. In order to be able to install this as a progressive web app, we need to first log in. So log in with your account. Continue. Sign in with whatever two-factor auth you have set up. And once you are in, you'll see this icon up here. It looks like a desktop monitor. This will allow you to install this down into your dock. Go ahead and click install app, install, and it should automatically pop up right in your view here. You'll also notice that whether you're on a Mac or Windows, the application will be open down here. You can go ahead and pin that to your desktop and you'll be good to go. In Mac's case, we'll keep in dock. You can go ahead and move that wherever you'd like it to stay. Now, whenever you close or shut down your laptop, this will always be pinned to the dock so you can get up and rolling.